Should I have taken this road? Maybe not, but I was already on it. So now it was a man against machine, and I had to make the journey to the desert. I kept going up because I knew that there was no way of slowing down or turning back. So I kept driving, and I knew that I could not control the gear shifts, but I had the control of the brake. So I over-braked, as I mentioned earlier, but I made it all the way to the end. The scenery had changed now, and I knew I was heading up to the lake, and things would be kind of flattened now, so I was looking forward to it. As you can see now, the landscape is very different as opposed to the big palm trees or even pine trees. And now it's mostly flat, small bushes, a little bit of green, mostly just sand and dirt. And as you can see, we're getting into the desert country. Stop at Hellhole Canyon, so you will not be able to see Hellhole Canyon, but I think what we have now in the middle of summer, July 19, I think it's pretty much going to be the same regardless of whether you're in the canyon or you're on the top of the hill. We're on Montezuma Pass now. Temperature now is about 109 Fahrenheit and 41 degrees centigrade. Winds are blowing at about 15 to 20 miles per hour, about 35 to 50 kilometers per hour. As you will notice, the landscape is pretty dry. There are no tall trees, there's no green, just bushes and desert landscape, and also desert flora. And we will do a lot more of this while we are in Borrego Springs. So enjoy the desert ride. I'm so happy to know that I actually made it all the way to the end, because I was not sure when I was on Palomar Mountain and on the way down and on the way up and through Hellhole Canyon, but I'm glad that I made it, and I'm happy that you are with me to enjoy the ride. Please subscribe and join me as we explore Borrego Springs.